Mahi Guevara, 24, Ciudad Hancock, Balogan. Candidate number 4. Wearing an eco-terno inspired by the enduring courage of Imelda. A piece designed by John Cian and John Lehigh. Crafted from bubble wrap, reclaimed fabric, stick glue, and other recyclable materials. This eco-terno reimagines sustainability with artistry and boldness. The intricate textures echo the spirit of sustainability and immortalized in the obelisk of Imelda Park, a symbol of resilience and strength. This eco-terno is a striking tribute to courage, perseverance, and the enduring legacy of Imelda's spirit. That's candidate number 4, Queen Mahi Guevara.